Alright y'all, so I'm on the way to go pick up this Panoramic, taking a little scenic route, so can't be doing too much recording as I'm driving, but yeah, we got the OBS out here, and I know y'all might notice the different the channel name. I don't know, this might be a little speed trap light, right? Yeah. So you saw how that light almost got me. So yeah, we on 11 Mile right now, and 11 Mile in Coolidge, basically Schaefer. On our way to 16 Mile to grab this Panoramic. It's out here raining. It's cold, and I was supposed to get this Panoramic like 2 weeks ago, and he's been taking all day trying, wanting to cut it out, and he had it ready for me yesterday. So I was busy working on the OBS in the yard, and I never got around to it. I was just so tired. So yeah, today I told him that I'll just be able to come pick it up, and so I can get that Panoramic back to the yard and start working. Just trying to focus out here and just pay attention to things around here. So glad y'all staying tuned. I want to thank all the subscribers that we got. We're at 410, so that's good. It's been a long road. It surpassed my goal. I thought we was gonna get, and then we're getting more. So as time go on, so I want to thank all you guys out there. And I'm gonna have to be getting a new camera soon because I've been messed this one up, so it's about camera time. I kind of love this camera, but maybe I can upgrade or do something so you guys can get a better vision of what's all going on around, and what we're doing. And so there's a few things I gotta contact the Oldsmobile Delta owner, and with the materials and stuff like that, get that squared away. I talked to him yesterday and just informed him that it's all cut out, and it's going to be the first gen Mini Cooper Panoramic, so I'm excited about that. I did one up there in Ipsy. I'm going to throw that clip in here for you guys at the end, so you'll see the Panoramic, the first gen Panoramic I threw in for a guy up there in Ypsilanti, Michigan. I traveled out there to him to install that Panoramic. It took me about 4 days. I wanted to, just be over and done with it. It's a lot of work throwing in these sunroofs. It's not just to cut a hole out. As you do it, it becomes, like a whatever thing type thing. But remember which road, sweetie? You remember the name? Huh? Oh, we got a minute anyway. This is only 12 miles. What's up, baby? Turn around, sit down. Turn around, sit down. So, yeah, guys, this is 12 miles. Let's see if I can still manage this camera for you guys. Yeah, 12 miles. So you guys see that? But yeah, it's starting to get winter time up here in Michigan, so it's not too good. You see the leaves are gone, and it's just basically December now. I think so what, tomorrow or so. What's up, baby? You want one for Christmas? You want that for Christmas? Okay. Snowflakes. So it's like we're gonna be making snowmans. But yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, man, and always, checking in to see what we got going on. I appreciate it all. It means a lot to me. So I'm thankful that you guys are rocking with me and staying with me. And I'm gonna have to get off of here soon because I don't know, might see the police, and I'm not trying to get a ticket. I know y'all don't want to need it for me to get a ticket, so I'll see you guys soon. And the next scene, hopefully we'll be there. And alright, y'all, so I'm just about pulling up to the spot, get this sunroof. Yes, finally. Never seemed like it took so long driving up this street or just driving. This all looks different to me. I don't know why. I guess so. What's up, son? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to maneuver the truck. Like he just pulled up, so I'm just gonna get this onto the truck and get back onto the house, y'all. I ain't gonna show too much here. You know, I did that the last time, so I'll see y'all in a minute.
Wow.